Do you want to know how you can log into your OMS Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your OMS Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar to search for OMS Payroll Login. Now, what you need to do is click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official site of OMS. You can see that the payroll login option is already available. Go ahead and click on it, and it will lead you to the official login portal of OMS HR Payroll. Now, write down your user ID on the first box. Make sure that the user ID is already registered in the OMS HRIS system. After you write down your user ID, go ahead and write down your password. As soon as you write down your password, check it once. Then go ahead and click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your OMS Payroll account. If in case you are a new user, click on this link and you can create an OMS Payroll account now. And if in case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, these are the two links you definitely want to click. I hope this video about how you can log into your OMS Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.